to Ruby. Nickname, or usually called Ruby Tuesday. She loves being paid attention to. Though she is supposed to eat dog food, she usually eats human food. She is very playful and will wait at the door until her humans get home. Every time she walks, she waddles, making it so adorable. She is very self-aware because, when complimented, she will wag her tail rapidly. Ruby's breed is a Pit Bull and Retriever mix. She is 6.5 years old because she will be having her birthday in May. For the rest of the video, enjoy the clip of me petting her. Sleepy time.